We will talk about conversion from direct to indirect exchange rate, right? How to convert direct to indirect exchange rate and certain other concepts like what is speculation, what is arbitrage, cross currency rate, etc. So let's start with them. So I'll share my Excel screen, that is easier. Do you see my Excel screen? Supposing I say USD 1 is equal to rupees 78.6535. Let's assume a one-way code. Supposing I say USD 1 is equal to 75.6535. Are you able to see what I have written? Are you all able to see my screen? So what is this? अभी इसमें हम पहचानेंगे which currency is it direct, which currency is it indirect, right? In USD it is direct. It is indirect. And in INR it is direct, right? Are you following? USD it is indirect. जिस currency के आगे 1 है उसको हम indirect बोलते हैं, और जिस currency के आगे नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स है उसको हम इनडायरेक्ट बोलते हैं. याद है कल जो हमने डिस्कस किया था? तो अभी यहाँ पे हम करेंगे यूएसडी में डायरेक्ट एंड आईएनआर में इनडायरेक्ट. आईएनआर 1 इज इक्वल टू, ऐसे हमें आना चाहिए. तो हम कैसे करेंगे इसको? सो आई विल से USD 1 divided by 78.6535, right, is equal to rupee 1, right? ऐसे. Correct? Have I written? तो इसका वैल्यू क्या होगा? ऐसे 0.12711399 is equal to rupee 1. So it is now indirect here. It is now indirect here and direct here. So have I converted? Are you following what I did? I just divided this by 1. 1 by, right? Supposing I say 0, 1 is equal to USD 2.35, right? So it is going to be indirect. यहाँ पे 1 है indirect, यहाँ पे number of units है direct. So I'm going to say 1 divided by 2.35 is equal to USD 1. So I have indirect, which is equal to or I'll say 3 to rounded off amount, right? Are you following this? Are you following, all of you? So this is how you convert from direct to indirect. This is going to be one-way code. Now observe carefully if I'm going to work this with two-way quotation. Is there any doubt? Does anybody have a doubt here? Are you all clear? So I'm going to say two-way code. Okay? Two-way code. Again, I'm going to say USD 1 is equal to, I'll say, rupees 78.6535 stroke, I'll say 660. How do I mean expand this code? I will say, how do I expand this code? Any idea? We spoke about this yesterday. So I'll write this again. USD 1 is equal to rupees 78.6535, 78.66666660. Correct? Am I right here? Yes, no. Am I right here? All of you here? Are you here with me? Plus ask divided by 2. Average of bid and ask. Average of bid and ask is mid rate. This is going to be my mid rate. Now I'm talking about spread. What is my spread? Spread is equal to 78.6660 minus 78.6535, right? So what is that answer? Answer is 0.0125. That is my answer here. I hope you're able to understand this. This was just a recap of what we saw yesterday. So today we will convert from direct to indirect. So direct to indirect, I told you 1 by lena hai. But one thing about this thing is, direct to indirect is, when we are having two-way quotation, my bid, 1 by bid becomes ask, 1 by ask becomes bid. So can I do it here if it is easier for you to understand? So I will say USD 1 by bid becomes ask, 1 by ask becomes bid. 1 by, I'll just leave a space. 1 by 78.6660 and then 1 by 78.6535. So let me calculate that. Is equal to 1. Okay? Now let me calculate this. USD this is rupee 1. Okay? Are you following this? Just observe. I've made this as 1 by as. So bit side में क्या आता है? I've made this as 1 by bit. Are you following, all of you? Can we try another problem? The next problem. So 1 is equal to USD 2.3560. Just an example. 2.3575. Now identify this is indirect. This is direct. In euro currency, it is direct. Right? So now can I make this as direct? So now coming to this, I'm going to convert this. Here also, can we calculate the mid rate and spread? Mid rate is equal to USD 560 plus 3575. This is my mid rate, 35675. Right? Now spread talks about spread is equal to 2.3575 minus 2.3560. That is going to be 0.0015. And again, this is going to be in USD. जो करेंसी यहाँ पे है उसके स्प्रेड लेंगे, वो करेंसी डालेंगे स्प्रेड या मिड रेट की. एवरेज ऑफ बिट एंड आस्क. हलीमा, इट इज बिट, BID, नॉट बिट. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट कन्वर्टिंग दिस टू डायरेक्ट. यहाँ पे देखो, मैंने इनडायरेक्ट को डायरेक्ट बनाया है, डायरेक्ट को इनडायरेक्ट बनाई. ओके, इनडायरेक्ट. तो कैसे बनाएंगे? अभी सेम प्रोसीजर आई अडॉप्ट. आई विल से USD 1 divided by 2.3575. 1 divided by 2.3560. ठीक है. So let's calculate that is equal to sorry, this is going to be euro. Is equal to USD 1. ठीक है. Now let me calculate that. No problem. Let me calculate this. It's going to be 3575. That's going to be this 0.424 0.424448222, right? Two, 2560, yeah. 2.3560, correct? 2.3575. So are you following this? Is equal to, are you following this? Always bid is smaller than us because bank will always give lesser and will take more from you. That is the logic. Any doubts so far?
Can
Any
you
doubt?
repeat?
I don't hear you. Sorry.